Hello friends, today we are going to solve the business study paper of March 2025 and it is 6651. In this case, if you have any set 1, set 2 or set 3, all the case studies are same and all the MCQs are same, just the sequence is changed. So let's start with the first MCQ. Here in this case we can see this question is about the dimension of business discussed here. So here this sentence, strength, effective and their weakness irrelevant. From this sentence we can find the answer. It is the management of people. In question number 2, if you see the point of importance of management highlighted above. So in this case we can see the sentence, good for the people and leads to path towards growth. So if we are talking about good for the people, it is the development of society. In next question we can see business environment does not include, you can see which of the following force is not including in specific. So here legal conditions are there, they are for all, so it is not including in specific force. So next we can see this is the fourth MCQ. In fourth MCQ we can see two sentences are there, both are about organizing. This is organizing and both sentences are true. Next is we can see question number 5. Question number 5, monitoring plans too important to ensure objective of achieved. It is which step of planning they are asking. It is a follow-up action. Here the match the following is there. Here we can see the different types of plans are there. First, policy, it is related to journal statement, and like this option A is correct in this regard. In question number 7 we can see question number 7, assertion and reasoning is there. Reason is there. So here we can see the assertion is false, marketing is the only a post production activity, so it is wrong, but the second reason is correct. So option D is the answer. In question number 8 we can see here they are talking about coordination. How we come to know this? Integrate the efforts of different departments, so it is a part of coordination. In question number 9 we can see two assertion and reason is there. Here we can see both are correct. Training is enhancing employee productivity. Yes, it is correct, but how it is increasing productivity? Why it is lead to higher profit? Because training is a systematic and it is also reducing the wastage of time and money. So like this both are correct. Now question number 10 is there. Here two statements are given and we can see both are false, because here available word is there, here necessary word is there. In workload necessary word should be there, and in workforce available work should be there, but they are exchanged, so it is both are wrong. Now we can see question number 11. Dash is the instrument of traded in money market, so commercial paper, and the process of holding security, dematerialization. Repeated question is there, already asked in past. Here they are talking about shareholders preference, because shareholder like to take dividend, so that's why here the factor affecting dividend decision is shareholders preference. Next we can see question number 14. In question number 14 we can see incorrect statement we have to find out, and incorrect is check ISI mark on the food products, so it is not correct. Next we can see one picture is given and it is about the web publishing where we can find the jobs. And next is for the impaired. Now next we can see next question is regarding the next MCQ. Let's see first of all. Okay, now it is visible. Now we can see it. What is the question? The concept of management which led to improvement in the speed and flexibility of leave approval. So we can see the authority is placed to the nearest to the point of action, and it is related to decentralization. Next question, if you see here we can see the point of importance of controlling highlighted, and here order and discipline is there, because here we can see dishonesty, reducing dishonesty behavior is there, and it is related to discipline. If you see question number 28, Question number 18 is there. It identify the function of stock exchange. Here one suggestion is there. In this question, father is suggesting to invest money in the money market, in the stock market. Why? Because it provides liquidity and marketability. Why? And answer is this: because we can see he can easily sold the shares whenever required. So that's why answer is providing liquidity and marketability to existing security, option B. If you see the question number 18, here we can see question is from the following: identify the concept about which chief executive officer is discussing with finance manager, and it is about financial planning, because they are talking about forecast and they are also talking about enough funds should be available at right time. Now if you check the last MCQ of this paper, in this last MCQ the question is identify the step of controlling discussed above, and it is about measurement of actual performance that in this case study it is discussed. Now we are moving to 3-mark question. Question number 21. It is a direct question, so I am not giving any explanation. In question number 22, if you see, it is a case study. It is about identify and give the meaning of any three such decisions. So here it is in addition to feature of quality and various other product related information, important decision are discussed in above case. So 3 decisions are there here about the product. It is branding, packaging and labeling. 3 things are discussed. In question number 22, direct question is there, so no discussion required. Question number 24, if you see, explain 2 sources of recruitment. Here company is using 2 sources. One is promotion, so one of the employees promoted, and another one is recommendation of employee. The current, he's a HR manager, he is also suggesting some employees. So 2 sources are used. In question number 25, if you see, in question number 25 we can see AK Limited and identify and explain the principle of scientific management discussed above, and another principle which is extension. From that only we can write here harmony not discord is discussed. Here one word is mental revolution is also part of it, and another one is cooperation not individualism, which is the extension of harmony not discord principle. Now we are moving to question number 26. If you see the question number 26, state whether working capital requirement of Omara Limited will high or low, and 3 factors which is discussed in above case. So here in Omara Limited, production cycle is lengthy, level of competition is more, and even the credit allowed period is also more, and that's why the company's working capital requirement is high. If you see the question number 27, in this question number 27, if you see, let us zoom in. Okay, now we can see question number 27 is talking about state the types of organizational structure. So here we can see smart, they are manufacturing e-walking sticks. Now they want to manufacture smart watches also, and that's why divisional structure is preferred here, and we have to explain the advantages here. One person is completely authority is getting, so we can easily fix the responsibility, and even we can also add the another divisions without interrupting other operations. So 2 advantages also mentioned in the case. Another question number 28 and 29 are direct question, so I am not explaining it in detail. Another thing we can see question number 30. It is a 4-mark question. Last question is there. Here we can see identify and explain 2 rights that consumer is discussed. So here in this case, Sarah is missing price, weight is not mentioned, price is there but weight is not mentioned. Another thing, she is also complaining but the person is not listening, so that's why right to be informed is there, and another is right to be heard. Now 6-mark question we have. In question number 31 we can see direct question, so no need to explanation. Another thing, question number 32. In question number 32 they are talking about communication and the barriers. So 3 cases are there, so let's see one by one. If you see the first case, in the first case, just a minute. Okay. So when you see the first case, here we can see the person is using technical language, so that's why it's semantic barrier, technical jargon. Another thing, Rajesh is working. In second case, we can see the boss is not listening properly, so psychological problem is there, lack of attention. In last one, we can see the person is giving suggestion but he is not getting any incentive, so lack of proper incentive and it's a personal barrier. Question number 33, we can see direct question is there. Now we are moving to last question of this paper, question number 34. And we can see in question number 34, it is about the identify and explain the 4 marketing functions discussed above. So here firstly, they are gathering and analyzing market information, on the basis of which they are developing product. The product designing is there. Afterwards they are deciding price, and in last they are also doing the promotion by using advertisement. So gathering and analyzing market information, product designing, pricing and promotion is the answer, which are the functions of marketing. So I hope you understand this. Thank you so much.